Hello my beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is the kind of videos that I get really excited to watch every time I go on YouTube. Whenever the title goes affordable makeup or drugstore makeup that's of high quality or top 10 or people's recommendation, I get really excited because I'm all for a very good bargain. Alright, I like my luxury makeup, I like spending my cash on certain things. But the way that affordable makeup brands are stepping up with their quality at the moment, it just makes me very, very happy. Number one, it's all about mindful spending. Number two, times are tough. We all are here to save our money. And number three, there's more to life than just makeup and beauty. Alright, and let's start. I've got my book as usual out here so that I don't miss out any points. And why I write down everything is because these are things that I have noticed while wearing it, okay? So I'm really excited to show you. So product number one is from e.l.f. Cosmetics. This is e.l.f. Cosmetics Mix to Match Adjuster in golden and bronze. This is freaking genius, alright? It's just brilliant. These are new packets. It's because I'm taking it for my cousins who I know will really appreciate it. I have my own. So basically what it does is if you have a foundation, okay, that needs a little more yellow tone, or if you have a foundation that needs to be darkened a little bit, they have their own adjuster. Now I know there are a few brands that already do this, NYX does it, but from everything that I've tried, these are the ones that I would highly suggest because the quality of it is really, really good. This golden one is so nice that if you come across a foundation that's not too goldy for you or not warm enough for you, you can just definitely adjust it by just taking a drop of this, mixing it in your foundation and getting that right undertone, because it's the undertone that is really, really important. And the same thing goes for the bronze as well. Something about this also, it doesn't have too much of that reddish tone, so if you want to really deepen your foundation, like for example for my deep skin beauties and you really want to deepen your foundation, if you got something light, then the bronze one will also help with that. It'll give you that JLo necessary, bronzy glow to your foundation at the same time. Whoever you are, whether you're a makeup artist, you're a bride-to-be, you're someone new in the makeup world and you just want to build that makeup essentials, then these adjuster drops are very, very important in your makeup collection. Second product is the Physician Formula Butter Bronzer. Another thing that I really, really like. Everybody loves this, okay? Whoever I know that's on YouTube, any blogger, they always praise the Physician Formula's Butter Bronzer. And they've got the name right. It is as soft as butter. It melts so well on the skin. And I like this shade called Deep Bronzer, which is not too reddish orange for me. That doesn't, make me look like a tangerine tinted buffoon, alright? It just gives me the right kind of warmth, and I really like this, how subtle it is onto the skin. Of course you can build this up, but I like something that is really subtle, especially for a daytime look. It obviously comes with its own brush. It's very travel friendly. Obviously I use another brush, I never use this, and I just like the color in general. This is the kind of transition color also I use for my eyeshadow as well, because it's very, very subtle. Like I said, it's buildable, but it just gives that right amount of warmth to your crease line as well, and it's just a fantastic bronzer from the drugstore. And the third item to make its entry in this list is the Louise base. Now hear me out. This is for 10 bucks. Under 10 bucks out here in the UK. If you're traveling to the UK, you're traveling to the US, make sure that you get this eyeshadow base, alright? This is beautiful. Now Louise apparently has started international shipping as well, and I'm sure there are many Insta stores in India that can get this for you. But Louise, they are a makeup academy out here. They teach you all sorts of creative makeup at the same time, and they came out with a base that is top notch, alright? Now, but what I love about this is that the way it just makes sure that your eyeshadow, especially the colorful ones, just stays put on your eyelids. It's fantastic. It has many number, like there's 1 which is really for fair, 2 for medium skin, 3 for dusky skin, like that. They've come out with 6, 7 I think, even for the deeper skin tone, so that it really matches your eyelids really well. I could have definitely gone for 3, but I went for 2 only because of how slightly fair the tone is, and I like to put such tones on my eyelids because it takes away the pigmentation that I have on my eyelids, and at the same time it makes eyeshadow colors pop. And many a times you guys ask me, how do you make your eye colors look really vibrant, including the eyeliner? These are the things that I apply even slightly out here. It stays, okay? This makeup base is so fantastic. This was introduced, I mean not introduced basically, this came into the cult zone thanks to Nikki tutorials. She can't do any of her makeup base without using the P. Louise one, and I can see why that everybody loves. Mine is Rumor 02. Again, I'm mentioning it's fantastic, it's a must-have, it is cheap, and it just makes sure that there's no creasing, everything stays put with the P. Louise base. Flower Beauty Supernova Celestial Skin Elixir. Alright, it's a long name for this product, but it is beautiful. What I love about this, you guys know how much I like the Pack Studio oil. This is, let's say, Pack Studio oil. If it had an upgrade, that's what this would do. Now it smells of lavender, so if you are allergic to lavender oil or whatever that revolves around that lavender scent, then maybe this one is not for you. It is infused with tiny shimmers, okay? But the beauty of this is that once it goes on the skin, you do not see the glitter, the shimmer, nothing on your skin. And something about this primer, because I heard Drew Barrymore, the founder of Flower Beauty, talk about this. This is launched in Nika as well, so go check it out. She did say that she wanted to create a primer that not only will make your makeup sit really well on the skin, especially if you have dehydrated skin and you want something that will sit really well, at the same time give you that glow. This does that, but at the same time works wonders on your skin. And I have spoken to so many who have used this and has actually said that they found a difference to their skin at the same time. Not only was it working well with the makeup, but it was working well with their skin as well. Because I've got textured skin, and anything that has got shimmer and glitter will only emphasize the texture a lot more. So I was really worried about it, but when I put this on the skin, it just gave me a wonderful glow, a very healthy glow, and at the same time it made my makeup sit so nicely, and I found a difference, like my skin was feeling soft and supple. And like I said, if this is the future of affordable makeup, then hey, it's winning, man. The next one is Revolution Pro, sister company of Makeup Revolution. It's the same company basically, but Revolution Pro is all about giving you a little more higher quality than Makeup Revolution. And they have more originality than Makeup Revolution. But the one that I highly recommend from them is the 4K Blush Palette. Now you guys know that I spoke about the 4K highlighter palette in my last what not to buy, what to avoid makeup. Alright, go check out that video. But this 4K blush palette is something that you really need to go and buy. It is fantastic. This is the peach palette and it is so beautiful. It is so pigmented. You have to be really careful. A little goes a long way, especially if you are NC 45 and above. Oh my god, this is the palette for you. It is so pretty. Highly recommend this. This has been my go-to. I can't keep this down. This is such a beauty and such a steal for the price that you're paying. You get so much of it. It's going to last you for a very long time. So alright, talking about affordable makeup and not including LA Girl Pro Conceal concealers, how is that possible? These are must-haves. These are very affordable, amazing quality, just smells so well on the skin. But more than the concealer, what I love are these two shades, okay? One is the orange corrector, because so many of you keep asking me what are my favorite orange correctors. This is Beautiful Bronze. This is a fantastic concealer to contour or to give that warmth to the face, okay? This is a favorite out here with so many bloggers. I only wish they supersize it. It's really necessary. And the concealer, of course, mine is medium beige. I have mentioned this in my top concealer video as well, why I absolutely love it, so I'm not going to go on and on with it. But like I said, something that you really need to have in your makeup kit. Alright, so I don't like false lashes, you guys know that. Only when I'm in a mood for a makeup tutorial, I will apply false lash, okay? I love my mascaras. I think the right mascara can give you that false lash effect, and the mascara that I absolutely love and have loved for a very long time is the Essence Lash Princess one. This is such a lovely mascara, so affordable, cruelty free. It's just an underrated mascara, I feel, okay? And I've got many drugstore favorites. I've got some from Makeup Revolution, and the way that the wand, it just makes sure that it does not take too much of it out, so there's no gloop on the wand at the same time, and it just separates your lashes so well, so you can go on with the second coat, with the third coat. You can even target your lower lash without, you know, disturbing your skin underneath the lower lash line. or without, you know, spoiling your makeup. It doesn't flake, okay, because my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara actually flakes, but this doesn't. But it looks like as if you have put individual false lash on. It's so nice. And anybody who goes and buys this, and if it doesn't work for you, you're not going to be too mad about it because it's not expensive, okay? It's not going to hurt your pocket. There's also another one that I like, that is the Extreme Volume or something, the one in the black tube. I really like that as well. But for me, for my lashes, I think this targets it really well and gives me that, like I said, individual false lash kind of an effect. It's just a beauty of a mascara. Now I want to talk about this brand called Mina Cosmetics. I always thought it was 3 instead of M, okay, and apparently it's an M, Mina Cosmetics. This blush is something. In fact, their blush in general, they're amazing. But this blush 105, ooh, this is so good. It's highly pigmented. Like I said, you have to be very careful. Just go really light-handed with it. But the kind of warmth that this blush gives you, I haven't come across a blush that gives me this very warm brown terracotta kind of a color on my cheeks, okay? When you look at it, you're going to think, oh my god, this is going to come across like a very bad tan gone wrong. But actually no. In fact, when you use this, you don't even have to bronze your face with it, because this gives that beautiful terracotta color, like as if there's a flush within, but at the same time it gives you a bronzy kind of a look, which it acts like a 2-in-1, especially this color 105. And they've got so many, like a pink, and they've got another peachy number, which is fantastic. I think their blush in general, it is just called the blush, okay, which I think you guys need to check out. I highly recommend this. I think it is worth your money. It's also very affordable. It's just a lovely blush, and I highly recommend 105. Again, 105 is the best color, especially for our Indian skin tone. It works really well. This has been my all-time favorite. I've mentioned this even in my Insta stories. That's the reason you need to follow me on Instagram, because I find things and I, you know, just tell you guys what to pick, what not to pick on Insta stories as well. But this one, this is so lovely. So highly recommend this, and I had to add this in the list as well. Okay, next one is an eyeshadow palette from Makeup Revolution. This is Soph X. This is Soph Does Nails. She's a YouTuber, a British YouTuber, and this is her collaboration with Makeup Revolution. Now, I love this eyeshadow palette, okay? This is what the palette looks like. I feel for the price that you're paying, you're getting some really good quality eyeshadows. It's got the right amount of warm, matte eyeshadows. It also has got its cool tones. I love the shimmery shades. It's highly pigmented. Oh, I can't even tell you how pretty this one is. Can you see that? It's really pigmented. This is a beginner friendly eyeshadow palette. You want something that is Sundar, Sasta, Tikau. This is the kind of palettes that you need to reach out for in the international eyeshadow palette range, okay? This is a great palette to start off with. I like the fact that it is heavy on its pigmentation, okay? You don't have to worry about it being pigmented, how it blends on the skin. And every time someone tells me, okay, what eyeshadow palette should I go and invest in if I don't want to spend too much money on, I would say it would be this one in general. The last affordable item that made it to the list is the Inglot number 77 eyeliner gel. I've said it before, I'm saying it again. You want the blackest, long-lasting eyeliner that will not budge, that will not move, no matter what you do. This is the one that you really need in your makeup collection. But make sure whenever you're buying this, you have to close it really tightly, keep it in a cool place. It has a tendency of drying a tad bit. So that is why I suggest anybody who's buying the Inglot number 77 gel, they have to buy the Duraline, and that is a little tiny drops that you get along with this, that you just have to mix that drop along with it. It turns it into a creamy mush, and you can reapply again. It's so fantastic. Once you start off with this eyeliner gel, no matter what other eyeliner pen or eyeliners you use, you will always see yourself comparing it to this because of how black, pitch black this one is. It's like the color of my soul. So that's it, you guys. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video. Let me know in the comment section what are your favorite affordable finds. Probably I have it. I could agree with you, disagree, or I could go and buy it, all right? And I shall see you when I see you. Bye.